Lovely. So apparently we've got some bad weather. Temperatures plummeting next week, went the weather lady. It'll drop quite a few degrees. Yay! Getting closer to December. And Tuesday, good chance of some of that white fluffy stuff, angel's wing. So good practice for the old Pink Bunny Challenge. Somebody asked me if I was posh, you know. Well, can't help it, people think that's what I am. Actually, I'm as common as a horse draws on a busy Southend seafront. Dad was in the army. I grew up in a lot of places. Usual foreign places. Funny sounding names, and virtually every county in England, including Steeps and Glasgow. And spent some of my formative teenage years in the East End, sort of ragging about Soho in the 60s, free love and all that, you know. And then I've lived myself in different places, and abroad, and yeah, I've earned a good deal of money and had some very nice houses, it's very nice lifestyles, but no, I'm not actually posh. Hello, blue lighty poos. Well then dear, just bloody you going, dear. No, it's an ambulance. Ambulance! And poor old Fiddlesticks had a heart attack. Or a stroke, bless them. We're all in that, or a lot of us are in that territory. Let's hope they're alright. So anyway, posh, no. My voice is not a posh voice at all. It's a non-accent voice. Now, people like the lad from Yorkshire, that old Suffolk bloke, some Skegness residents, and you all know what I'm talking about, and you know NT8. You've all got good homespun accents. They say where you're from, and they're accents to be proud of. Proud of heritage. A bit of a bastard, me. I don't have an accent from anywhere in particular, and I don't actually have a hometown. You know, there's nowhere I can call home. I've never actually lived in my formative years anywhere more than 2 years. Where I was born, I was only there 6 months. That was abroad. Dad was in the army. And I sat down and worked it out. I've had 27 homes. 24 different places, because I've returned to a couple of places. You know, I've sort of lived in Manchester, in Liverpool, Piccadilly, Liverpool. Spent a bit of time in Wales, Scotland, Stafford. Very close friend in Scarborough. I love Scarborough. Daughter in Chippenham. Where the hell do I belong? So, I'm going to put it out there. Where do I belong? Where should I call home? There's a challenge for you. Where should I call home? No silly remarks like where you hang your hat. Take my hat, I've got a crushing on it. It's been busy this morning. The old lump of mud. traffic. Look what's happening here. Why not? Just it's that bloody horrible corner I hate. No, I haven't scrubbed off the edges of my tyres fully yet. Oh, look. Could have pulled over a fraction more on the white line, couldn't it? Now if you like charity shopping, Mersey is the place to come. Because all the clothes they have in the charity shops, nearly all, are from some very posh people. It's a good place to stop. That's it. You stop right on the bend, you dozy old bugger. Yeah, some really, I went in there the other day and some really good designer labels. Didn't buy anything because I don't buy unless I need. At the moment, apart from a bloody good woman, there's nothing I need. Well, alright, a really bad woman, you know. True, isn't it? I've had a couple of good women. It cost me fucking millions, I mean that. They're penniless. Maybe I need a real rough woman. I want a bit of spirit. So, there you go. Anyone got any second-hand women they want to get rid of? Bloody stupid thing to say, really, isn't it? Everybody's cast-offs. Listen, if you don't want them, trust me, I fucking don't. Oh look, no hand signals, ain't got a clue where he's going. No, sorry, push cyclists don't have to give hand signals. That's the law, innit?